morning. I am riding shotgun with our very own Colin Boyd, who manages our Dell product line. Nice and healthy little snack there, banana this morning. Leaving you guys really quick, excuse the casual wear. The Procurri team is going to the Braves game today, so I thought a ball cap and my Atlanta shirt was a little bit more appropriate. So I wanted to leave you guys with something super quick. And one thing I noticed, and one thing I want to talk to you guys about, is maintenance. And I've been getting a lot of requests from our reseller partners for HPE maintenance. Of course, we cover all the tier 1 OEMs. And a lot of times they'll forward us the quote from distribution. And one of the line items that I notice on there is software support. And if you look at the details of that software support, it actually just talks about having a technical software support, and for anything that's licensing or upgrades, that's actually a separate line item that you're getting charged for. So Procurri does not offer the licensing or the firmware or patch upgrades. However, we do offer the software support that you're charging, and in many cases they're charging you tens of thousands of dollars for software support. That all that really is just technical support. So you automatically get that with the Procurri support. You have access to all our top tier engineers, so they can walk you through any configuration help or troubleshooting that you might have. All the licensing and patch upgrades would go through the OEM as usual, but I found it kind of interesting that they were charging you for it. So as I said, we get a lot of these quotes that our partners just forward it from distribution, and we typically come in around half or 70 to 80% off of distribution price. So keep that in your back pocket. Look out for those line items. It's definitely some extra margin that you could bake back into your deals, and it's almost unnecessary. So you should be receiving that software technical support with all of your support. So feel free to ask questions. We're always available, and